Welcome to Full Throttle Motorsports Online. For all your motorcycle, ATV, and aftermarket accessory needs, look no further. We carry the latest and greatest from Honda, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and other trusted brands right here in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Questions regarding any of our products? Call 888-375-8805 or send an email via our Contact Us page. We are here to serve you. Customers from Omaha, Council Bluffs, Bellevue, and the nearby area have come to trust the service, quality, and knowledge you will receive at Full Throttle Motorsports. It's no wonder customers and riders from the Pottawatomie, Douglas, and Sarpy counties keep coming back. Our trained techs have years of experience and our friendly sales staff is always eager to assist. We offer maintenance, installation, and winterization, so look to Full Throttle Motorsports for all of your motorcycle, ATV, and jet ski needs.